Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off set date and time automatically on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on general. Next, go down and tap on date and time. Then tap on set automatically. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off. This will allow you to manually set the date and time, or you can turn it on so that the phone will automatically set the date and time based on the information your network provider provided to the iPhone. And that's it. When you turn it on set automatically, you cannot change the time zone. If you switch it off, you can manually change the time zone. You can manually change the date and the time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.